विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुरामचारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। So good. सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातं। सर्वेभ्यः प्लवनाम नूतन संवत्सर शुभाशयाः। Today is अद्यतन पंचांगम. Where did we go? Where is? अद्यतन पंचांगम प्लवनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे वसंत ऋतौ चैत्रमासे शुक्लपक्षे पंचमी तिथि till 11:02 AM followed by षष्ठी। स्थिरवासरः like always। मृगशीर्षं नक्षत्रं till 5:04 PM followed by आर्द्रा। शोभनगण योगः till 9:49 AM followed by अतिगंड योगः। बालवकरणं till 11:02 AM followed by कौलव till midnight, a little after 7 minutes after midnight, then Taitila Karanam. So this is the first we started our Ramayanam classes in Sharvari Nama Samvatsaram, and now we have entered Plavanama Samvatsaram. Today is our 52nd class, I think. So we'll be completing really 52 weeks of 52 sessions. Very good. So we were with all efforts trying to complete each sarga, especially 15th and 16th, because they are very, very important sargas forming the design of Rama Avatara. In 15th sarga, we saw that when Dasharatha Maharaja sits for the Ishti, Putrakama Ishti, that is when all devas, as they are offered, all of them assemble along with Brahma, and they start their discussions and sharing their troubles and pains from Ravana, only because they have to honor the boon given by Brahma to Ravana. Not that they are not that they are less powerful, but just to honor the boon given by Brahma. In the 16th sarga, we have seen how Vishnu appears, and then Vishnu asks gods still. Jananapi was a very important adjective there. And we saw that is our Karya Paddhati too. That even though we have an idea, we don't make it a unilateral idea. we always consult our other karyakartas, our other colleagues, and then make a collective decision so that all of us own it. Ownership is important. And then on Vishnu Antardhanam Bhavati, Dasharatha Maharaja goes back to his palace. He gives it in various proportions to his 3 wives. We saw all of that. And now, Atha Saptadasha Sargaha. I hope Leena and Prajna are there. Otherwise, anybody can repeat.
Atha Saptadasha Sargaha.
Putratvam tu gate Vishnau.
Putratvam tu gate Vishnau.
Rajastasya Rajnyastasya Mahatmanah.
Rajnyastasya Mahatmanah.
Uvacha Devatas Sarvaha.
Uvacha Devatas Sarvaha.
Swayambhur Bhagavanidam.
Swayambhur Bhagavanidam.
So in the 16th Sarga, it ended with where they all say, Putratvam tu gacchatu. They all asked Vishnu, Atmanam Chaturvidham. Split yourself into 4 aspects and go as in the childhood, or in the, what do you call, in the sonship, if I can say, Putratvam. There is no word for it. Putratvam is what? As a childness? No, I do not know. There is no equal word. Putratvam means the ness of being putra, become putra essentially. So Vishnu entered. So Putratvam tu gate Vishnu. After Vishnu left into becoming a son, into sons of Mahatmanah Tasya Rajnyaha, of the Mahatma Raja Dasharatha. Swayambhuhu Bhagavan Swayambhu Brahma. Idam Sarvaha Devataha Uvacha. He said this to all the Devataha, or to all the gods that are assembled there. What did he say? Satyasandhasya Virasya.
Satyasandhasya Virasya.
Sarvesham no hitaishinah.
Sarvesham no hitaishinah.
Vishnu sahayan balinah.
Vishnu sahayan balinah.
Srujadvam kamarupinah.
Satajvam kamarupinah.
Srujadvam.
Sujadvam kamarupinah.
So he said this statement. What did Brahma say? Satyasandhasya Virasya. Who is the Satyasandha? Vishnu, of course. Vishnoho Satyasandhasya Virasya Sarvesham Hitaishinah. One who hitam ichchati hitaishinah. One who hitaishi, in fact, Prathama Vibhakti. Hitam ichchati hitaishi. Tasya, of such hitaishi, is hitaishinah. Shashti Vibhakti. Sarvesham naha hitaishinah. He is the welfare of all of us. He is the one who seeks welfare of all of us. And for such Vishnu, for such Satyasandha, for such Veera, he is addressing you all, meaning you all gods. Srujadvam. Srujadvam means progenate, create. Srujadvam balinaha kamarupinaha sahayan. For the help, as helpers, as colleagues, as co-workers of Vishnu. Sahayan kamarupinaha balinaha srujadvam. So they should be, first of all, strong. Gods are strong. So give your genes so that strong, strengthy people are born to help Sri Rama. Also, kamarupinaha. Kamarupinaha is, by one meaning is, yatha icchanti, they can present, they can manifest themselves as per their wish. So kamarupinaha, balinaha, Vishnoho, sarvesham naha hitaishinaha, वीरस्य सत्यसन्धस्य विष्णोः सहायान् कामरूपिणः बलिनः सृजध्वम्. That is what Brahma first made the statement. And then continue. Maya vidascha suranscha
मायाविदश्च शूरांश्च
vayuvega saman jave
वायुवेगसमाञ्जवे
नयज्ञान बुद्धि संपन्नान
नयज्ञान बुद्धिसम्पन्नान्
विष्णुतुल्य पराक्रमान
विष्णुतुल्य पराक्रमान्
असंहार्यान उपायज्ञान
अहसंज्ञान् पुनः
असंहार्यान
असम्मर्यान्
वहां मत देखिए, मुझे सुनिए. असंहार्यान
असम्मार्यान्
उपायज्ञान
उपायज्ञान्
सिंह संहननान्वितान
सिंहसम्मन्नावितान्
सर्वास्त्र गुण संपन्नान
सर्वास्त्रगुणसम्पन्नान्
अमृत प्राशनानिव
प्राशनानिव
अप्सरस्सु च मुख्यासु
अप्सरस्सु च मुख्यासु
गंधर्वीणां तनूषु च
गन्धर्वीणा तनूषु च
सृजध्वं हरिरूपेण
सृजध्वं हरिरूपेण
पुत्रान् तुल्यपराक्रमान्.
पुत्रां तुल्यपराक्रमान्.
So 3 slokas together is a big details that Brahma is saying to Sujadhvam yourself as Balinaha Kamarupinaha. But what kind of Balinaha is what he is trying to describe in these next 3 slokas. So Maya Vidaha, first thing is Kamarupinaha, right? Kamarupinaha, as we said, is as you want, you can manifest yourself. So an elaboration of it is Maya Vid. Why should you be Kamarupin? Because you should know the Maya. Rakshasas play a lot of Mayas. They play a lot of tricks. So Maya Vid. Vid is somebody who knows, right? Knower is Vid. Veda Vid means one who knows Vedas. So likewise Maya Vid. Maya Vid is one who knows Maya. What kind of strategies are they playing? What kind of cheating, deceit, treachery, all of that Rakshasas are playing? You should be aware of it. You should have that buddhi to understand that. Such forms you should take. Such beings you should become who can know the Maya of Rakshasa. So Maya vidascha, shuranscha, shuraha, shuran, bahuvachanam, dvitiya vibhakti. So here it will all be on, which means in dvitiya vibhakti, you become them. Them. So shuraha, of course, one who have the shuratvam. Shuratvam is till you achieve it, you will not give up. So shuranscha. Vayuvega saman jave, javam. Javam is, what do you say in English? Javam is that strength, let us say in simpler terms. In strength, Vayuvega samam, or in fact, javam is, you can also take it as speed. The speed or the velocity. The speed, Vayuvega samaha, like the strength and the speed of wind. I mean, wind, if wind blows, we all know, right? Nothing can stand. So, Vayuvega saman jave, in strength and in speed, like Vayuvega. And Naya Jnana. Naya is Nayati, Niti. Niti Jnaha. Means those who know policies, those who know diplomacy, those who know administration details. So that is Niti Jnaha. Naya Jnana. Buddhi Sampannan. At the same time, not just, heavy bodybuilders, but with brain also. Buddhi Sampannan. Those whose wealth is buddhi. Buddhi eva sampatti yesham te buddhi sampanna. Vishnu tulya parakraman. become those who are equivalent in parakrama, in valor, to Vishnu. Vishnu Tulya Parakraman. So in fact, if you listen to our Bauddhics, this is exactly what we also say, right? God also chooses strong instruments. And he does not want ordinary, simple instruments. He wants, with him, Krishna chooses Arjuna. And because he's the most powerful, strong, and yet obedient to follow, or abiding by, complying by, and has respect, regards for God. So we should be, that is what we say in our Sangha also, right? That you should become strong. Then God chooses other instruments. And so Vishnu Tulya Parakraman, even God's, that Brahma is addressing, he's saying you progenate yourself so that each one of them is as equivalent in strength and valor as Vishnu himself. So Vishnu Tulya Parakraman, Asamharyan, Samharati, destroys. Asamharati, cannot kill. Asamharyaha. So those who cannot be killed become such strong. Asamharyan, Upayagnan, Upayam Janati, Upayagnya. Upayam, solution. Last time we saw it. Kovadhe Upayaha, even Vishnu asks, what is the idea? What is the solution? Or what is the technique? What is the idea? So Upayagnan, those who know ideas, solutions, creative. So Upayagnan. Simha Samhanananvitan. Simha Samhananam. Samhananam, Hananam, kill. Samyak, killing, is Samhananam. Simha Samhananam. Even those who can kill lions, or just like a lion can kill. Anvitan. Anvita is follow. Means you become like, you become like a lion which can kill anybody, anything. Right? So powerful. Simha Samhanananvitan. And Sarvastra Guna Sampannan. Not just body strength, but Sarva Astra Gunaha. Know all the astras and their gunaha. So that even if the enemies, Rakshasas, are able to apply those astras on you, you know how to do samhara of those astras, to get rid of or to put down those astras. So ability to apply your astra and ability to put down the astras applied by Rakshasas also. So that together is Sarvastra Guna Sampannan. And Amruta Prashananiva. Prashanam, we all know, right? Pratarashaha. Prashaha. Ashaha. Ashanam. Ashanam is to eat. And not to eat is Anashanam. Anashanam. That's what our AKG and all, Gandhiji and all used to do. Anashanam. No eating. Ashanam is eating. Prashanam, prakrishtam, ashanam. So eating properly, eating thoroughly, abundantly, or consuming abundantly. What? Amrita prashanam. Become those who have consumed amrita. That means no amritam for you. Amrita prashanan eva. Like those who have consumed amrita so that they can never become mortal. Like that. Amrita prashanan eva. Such with all these qualities, progenate yourself in who Apsarasu, among various Apsaraha, Apsara ladies. Mukhyasu, Gandharvinam Tanushucha. So in Apsarasu and Gandharvis, in those females of Apsaras and Gandharvas, in their tanushu, in their bodies, you progenate yourself. Srujadvam Harirupena. Hari, again we said, has several names. Of course, one is very Vishnu Tulya Parakraman, so Hari is Vishnu here. But in physical form, as we know, all of them are Hari. Hari is, the so-called ape related. Several species related to ape or monkey. As the the original human form. Because he didn't choose those, Ravana didn't ask to be saved from those species. So he's specifically saying, now go as the human's ancestor, which is that ape-related one. So Hari Rupena Putran Tulya Parakraman, like your own strength. Each God has a strength of his own. So progenate yourself with your own strengths. Putra Tulya Parakraman Putran Hari Rupena Srujadvam. I think if we remember all this 17.3 and 17.4, we will know all the qualities that are required for us also as Karyakartas. We should be Mayavidaha, Shuravayam, Dhiravayam. We have the Geet also, right? So Mayavidaha, Shuraha, Vayuvega Samanjave. I mean, if we are given a task, no delays. Zup, we should be able to complete it like wind. Boom, we should be able to complete. As we said, boom, we should do it. No procrastination, no delays. Nayagnan, know all the policies of where we live, and that's why we are doing civic engagement and all, right? To know the policies, to know the policy makers, lawmakers, and work with them. So Nayagnaha, Buddhi Sampannaha, of course we are all intellectuals because we listen to Bauddhics. So Buddhi Sampannaha, Vishnu Tulya Parakramaha, Asamharyaha, Ajayam Atma Samarthyam. That is exactly what we ask, right? Ajayam. We should not be killing anyone. We should not be winning anyone, but we should never be winnable, conquerable, invincible, essentially. So Ajayam Atma Samarthyam is essentially Asamharyaha. We should be Asamharya. We don't want to go and kill anyone, but we should never be killable by anyone. Asamharyaha. Simha Samharananvitan. Our very logo is Simha, right? Swayameva Mragendrata. So Simha Samhananam. Simha Samhanananvita. Sarvastra Guna Sampannan. Sarvastra, Danda, Niyuddha. Take all our astras. What else do we do? What else do we do in Sharirik? All of those astras. In fact, in Bharat, if you do, they do real Yuddha also, with the Danda, where they get hurt, a lot of blows and all they get. So, Sarvastra Guna Sampannan, Amrita Prashanan Iva. In every Shivir, we get Amritam only. Whatever we eat, we almost, the taste is like Amritam, right? So, Amrita Prashanan Iva. With these two slokas, I think we are actually seeking all these qualities in our prarthana also, as I gave the equivalent examples also, right? So those kind of qualities, with those qualities, go and progenate in all Apsarasas and Gandharvis, said Brahma. And so also we say, hey, let us get these qualities into all our Hindus and bring them together as strong Hindus. That's what we do anyway. Purvam, Prajna, long time that I heard you. Please follow. Purvameva maya srishto.
Purvameva maya srishto.
Jambavan rikshapungavaha.
Jambavan rikshapungavaha.
Jrumbhamanasya sahasa.
Jrumbhamanasya sahasa.
Mama vaktragajayata.
Mama vatragajayata.
Mama vaktragajayata.
Mama vatragajayata.
Mama vaktrat ajayata. So another quality of leadership. We say lead by example always, right? Even in Sangha we say, Karyavaha Mukhya Shikshaka should be able to play all the roles. They should know everything. Even if anyone, jaha kam waha hum. Right? That means you should be able to play all those roles. That means lead by example essentially. That is what Brahma is also doing. Brahma already said, okay, though I am instructing you to do all this, hey, I'm not just a manager delegating. No, I have already done it. Purvameva maya srishtaha. Already one is created by me, progenited by me. Jambavan riksha pungavaha. Pungavaha. is Gavaha, bull. Pungavaha is bull, Taurus. The strongest of men, strongest of Rikshas. Riksha is one of the species of ape, and we see several such names, several species names of apes. So Riksha Pungavaha, the strongest of one of the Rikshas, is already created by name Jambavan, by me. And how did he get created? Jrumbhamanasya sahasa. Jrumbhanam is yawning. Brahma, for a moment, he happened to do, it seems, and from that sahasa, immediately, vaktrat, from my mouth, ajayata, he got birth. So Jambavan, from the yawning of Brahma, Jambavan is born. And so Jrumbhamanasya Yaha Jataha Saha Jambavan iti. Take one meaning. Also, so he is the strongest and the, one of the ancestor of all that, of all the next coming Haris, or next coming Devata forms. Te tathokta bhagavata tat. Te tathokta bhagavata.
Te tato bhagavata. Te tatokta bhagavata. Pratishyata.
Pratishyatya shasanam.
Pratishyatu shasanam.
Don't read, listen and repeat. Pratishyatya shasanam.
Pratishyasya shasanam.
Janayamasurevam te.
Janayamasurevamte.
Putran vanararupinah.
Putran vanararupina.
So Brahma finished his directions. Now, te means all of them. Tatha, te, de, tatha. Okay, as you say, uktaha, bhagavata, by Brahma. Tat pratishrutya shasanam. That shasanam, they almost took it as a dictation, and they almost took it as an instruction. Pratishrutya shasanam janayamasuhu means jananam kritavantaha. They started giving births. Janayamasuhu evam dhaz. Dhaz. Putran vanararupinaha. Vanararupinaha. Vanara, in Vanara forms, they have started, creating several of these forms. Rishayascha mahatmanah.
ऋषयश्च महात्मानः
सिद्धविद्याधरो रगाः.
सिद्धविद्याधरो रगाः
चारणाश्च सुतान् वीरान्.
चारणाश्च सुतान् वीरान्
ससृजुर्वनचारिणः.
ससृजुर्वनचारिणः.
So, what are the various forms? Here onwards, he starts listing. So, not only Devaha, but several others were there, right? Rishayaha and all also were there when Vishnu appeared. So, not only Devaha created themselves, Rishayascha, even Rishis have started progeniting themselves. Mahatmanaha, Rishinaha, and Siddha Vidyadhara Uragaha, Charanaha, all these species also. So Siddhaha means, we all know, right? I mean, Siddhaha, Vidyadharaha, Charanaha, these are various celestial divine beings. So, for example, Siddha, they say, is a semi-divine being of great purity and perfection, and said to possess the 8 supernatural faculties. Siddhaha, they have those who have Siddham Praptavantaha, ye te Siddhaha. And Vidyadharaha, those who hold education. Vidyam Dharati, Vidyadharaha. Means essentially those who are into science, those who are into medicine, science, these fields, they are all Vidyadharaha. And Charanaha, Charati, Sarvatra Charanti, iti Charanaha. So wandering actor, celestial singers. And that's what the meaning given here. Wandering actor, celestial singers. So most of the Gandharvas are also Charanaha. Charanascha, all of them, Rishayah, Mahatmanaha, Siddhaha, Vidyadharaha, Uragaha. Uragaha is reptile kind of ones, or those who use their chest as the traction. Uragaha. Not necessarily if on the earth they are reptiles, but if in sky, if in space, they are sort of flying horizontally. Such people, Uragaha. So with Uragaha, Charanaha, all of them, Sasrujuhu, Srujanam Kritavantaha, Sasrujuhu. As what? As Vanacharinaha, as various beings living in forests, forest beings. Vanacharinaha, Iva Sutan Viran Sasrujuhu, very powerful sons, as Vanacharinaha Sasrujuhu. Vanarendram Mahendrabham.
Vanarendram Mahendrabham.
Indro Valinamurjitam.
Indro Valinamurjitam.
Sugrivam Janayamasa.
Sugrivam Janayamasa.
Tapanastapatam Varaha.
Tapanastapatam Varaha.
Everybody repeat these shlokas. Otherwise, I can directly read. So, idea of one person leading is because in Zoom calls, etc., there will be a lot of chaos. That's only one person is repeating. But try to repeat everyone, because when do we get otherwise a chance to read all these shlokas of Ramayana? So repeat. So, Vanarendram Mahendrabham. Mahendra Parvatam, Abha. Abha is like the strength and size and power. Mahendrabham Vanarendram, like Mahendra, king of Vanaras. The king of Vanaras was created. Like Mahendra, by name Valinam, Indraha Urjitam. Indra created himself as Vanarendra, as the king of Vanaras, by name Vali, who is like Mahendra Parvata. Mahendra Parvata is one of the strongest. Mahendro Malayas Sakhyo Devatatma Himalayaha, we say, right? All those Parvatas. So Mahendra Parvatam Iva Vanarendram Valinam Indraha Janayamasa Urjitam. And Sugrivam Janayamasa Tapanaha Tapatam Varaha. Tapanaha Tapam Karoti Yaha Saha Tapanaha, which is Surya. And Tapatam Varaha. That means it is not only sun, but there are several other probably bodies which are also heat generating bodies, like sun. But among all of them, Tapatam Varaha, of all such heating bodies, of all such hot and heating bodies, the best is the sun. And so sun, Tapanaha, Sugrivam Janayamasa. And so sun has progenited Sugriva. So Indra's hair is Vali, Surya's hair is Sugriva. Bruhaspatis Tvajanayattaram. Bruhaspatis Tvajanayat.
Bruhaspatis Tvajanayat.
Taram Nama Mahaharim.
Taram Nama Mahaharim.
Sarvavanara Mukhyanam.
Sarvavanara Mukhyanam.
Buddhimantam Manuttamam.
Buddhimantam Manuttamam.
So he said, right, Putran Tulya Parakraman, as per your equivalent like you. So each one, Indra is king of gods. So Vali also is king of Vanaras. Surya is another Aditya. So he is the first son of the Aditi. So also, Sugriva. Then Brahaspati is Rishi of, or the Acharya of all gods, right? So Buddhiman, Brahaspati is Buddhiman. So Brahaspati too Ajanayat, he progenited, he gave birth to Taram Nama Mahaharim. Taraha is one of the Vanara. Mahaharihi, he is also another strong Hari. But his speciality is Sarva Vanara Mukhyanam Buddhimantam. Among all the Vanaras, Taraha is the best Buddhiman. He is the most intelligent among all Haris, among all Vanaras. Sarva Vanara Mukhyanam Buddhimantam Anuttamam, the best ever. Dhanadasya Sutta Sriman Vanaro Gandhamadanaha.
Vanaro Gandhamadanaha.
Vishwakarma Tvajanayat.
Vishwakarma Tvajanayat.
Nalo Nama Mahaharim.
Nalo Nama Mahaharim.
So Dhanadasya Sutaha Sriman Vanaraha Gandhamadanaha. So I think our Pragya or Leena, they were trying to create a Kahoot, right? They will create this quiz tomorrow. Whose son is who?
Yes,
Let us see how many remember.
Yeah,
Huh?
I have more questions now, more harder questions.
You got more questions now? Very good, very good. So Dhanadasya, Dhanadaha is Dhanam Dadatiyaha, Saha Dhanadaha, who is it? Kubera. So Kuberasya son, Sriman, rich Vanaraha, Sriman Vanaraha, one of the rich Vanara, by name Gandhamadana. Gandhamadana is rich, one of the richest of the Vanaras, because he is the son of Kubera. Son as in is the Amsha of Kubera. Vishwakarma tu Ajanayat Nalo Nama Mahaharim. Vishwakarma is the architect of gods, is the sculptor of gods. So Vishwakarma progenited himself as Nalaha, and hence we see Nala as the architect consulted to build the Ram Setu, right? When they finally go during Yuddhakanda. So Nalo Nama Mahaharim, one of the great Hari, one of the great Vanara, is created by name Nala, is progenited by Vishwakarma, who is the architect of the gods. Pavakasya Sutta Sriman.
Pavakasya Sutta Sriman.
Nilo Agnisadrisha Agnisadrisha Prabha.
Nilo Agnisadrisha Prabha.
Nilo Agnisadrisha Prabha.
Nilo Agnisadrisha Prabha.
Tejasa Yashasa Viryat.
Tejasa Yasasa Viryat.
Atyarichyatavanaran.
Aprichyatavanaran. Aprichyat.
Atyarichyatavanaran.
Atyarichyatavanaran.
So this sarga is very, very important, especially because at least we know various divine bodies, various gods, and how they have progenited themselves. And if we see such qualities today, we can also, oh, this must be Amsha of that god. Try to identify those qualities, even today. Everybody, there will be some Daivamsha Bhutaha, right? So we can see who are those similarly, because they don't progenate once, they keep progeniting over and over, because we are always asking in our prarthana, right? We want to keep this world safe. Vishwa Shanti Pravartake. If you have to keep that, then we said we have to be Ajayam. So that means we need strengthy people, strength in various aspects. So Daivamsha definitely are coming among us. And so we should be able to identify those Daivamsha. How do we identify? If we know certain examples like these. So this is a very punya sarga. Repeating this sarga, one, we know we recant all the God names and we know what are their qualities. And so how did they progenate? Who got progenited? Who received that amsha? So next one is Pavakasya Sutaha Shriman Nilaha Anilaha. Shriman Anilaha. So Pavakaha, sun, Agni. Pavakaha is Pavanam Karoti Pavakaha, Agni. We talked about it last time also, right? Agni is the purifier. Before we offer anything to gods, we offer it through Agni because he purifies it and gives the essence to God. So he is Pavakaha. Pavakasya Sutaha is Shriman Anilaha. Nilaha Nalaha. Nala Nilaha. So Anilasya Sutaha Nilaha. Niloha Agni Sadrusha Prabhaha. And Nila is like Sadrushaha, looks alike, look alike of Agni, Agni Prabha. The glow, radiance of Agni, like that is a Nila. So Nalaha, Nilaha, we have covered. Then Tejasa, Yashasa, Viryat, Atyarichyata Vanaran. So Tejasa, by Tejas, by Virya, Vanaran, Atyarichyata, means various other Vanaras, by Tejas and by Virya, they are all Atishayot, they have excelled. Atishaya, Atishayataha, Atyarichyata. They have crossed, means they have excelled. Various excelled Vanara. And Rupa Dravina Sampannaha.
Rupa Dravina Sampannaha.
No. Rupa Dravina Sampannau.
Rupa Dravina Sampannau.
Ashvinau Rupa Sammatau.
Ashvinau Rupa Sammatau.
Maindam Chadvividam Chaiva.
Maindam Chadvividam Chaiva.
Janayamasatuh Swayam.
Janayamasatuh Swayam.
So Rupa Dravina Sampannaha. Rupam Dravinam. Dravinam is material. Rupam is form. So Ashvinau Rupa Sammatau. Rupam is a form. Sammatam is look-alike. Sammati. Sammati is same thinking, right? Think alike. So likewise, Sammatam is they look alike. So they are twins, essentially, they are trying to say. The twins Ashvinau, who are in Rupa Dravina Sampannau, who are beautiful, because Ashvinau twins are like the most beautiful ones, and most handsome ones. So Rupa Dravidam, at the same time, they are also in strength and all, also in material also, they are very beautiful, handsome. So Rupa Dravina Sampannau Ashvinau, who are Rupa Sammatau, that means who are twins, they gave birth. Janayamasatuhu. Janayamasuhu is Bahuvachanam. Janayamasatuhu is Vivachanam, because they are two in number, Ashvinau. So they have given birth Swayam to, one is Maindaha, the other is Dvividaha. So Maindam Dvividam Chaiva Janayamasatuhu Swayam. So who are the heirs of Ashwini Devatau? Maindaha and Dvividau. And all these names come in Kishkinda Kanda, Yuddha Kanda. Oh my God. Each one is a powerful one. Just that they were all these days, keeping quiet because Brahmaji gave unnecessarily that boon to him. Let us, Bade Saab ka baat manenge hum. Only for that sake. Otherwise, each one is such a strong person. Varunopi janayamasa.
Varunopi janayamasa.
Sushenam nama vanaram.
Sushenam nama vanaram.
Sharabham janayamasa.
Sharabam janayamasa.
Parjanyastu Mahabalam.
Parjanyastu mahabalam.
So all the god names. We started with Indra, then Tapanaha, Surya, then we went to who other gods did we? Pavakraha. We saw, so which is Agni. Then we saw, of course, Ashvinau Devatau, and then Brahaspatihi. At least let us remember all these names. And
The Deva sculptor.
Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma, correct.
Ashwini Deva.
Ashwini Devata, yeah. And now, Varunaha api, Varuna Devata api Janayamasa, he also gave birth to Sushena. Sushena is another Nama Vanaram. By name Sushena, another Vanara was created by Varunaha. Sharabham Janayamasa Parjanyastu Mahabalam. Parjanya, the rain. Parjanya is rains, right? Parjanya is rain, showering water from the skies. So Parjanya Sharabham Nama Mahabalam, a strong Sharabha. Sharabha is also, actually they say it is probably extinct now, but Sharabha is the predecessor species of lion. I mean, one of that strong beasts is in the form of lion. It's called Sharabha. So Sharabheshwara, we have some gods temples also, where you will see him like something like Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, like Narasimha, but it will be not Simha, but it will be much before and bigger than that, called Sharabha. So Sharabha is created by Parjanya, because the Parjanya's thunder roar that it makes, right, and the water that it downpour that it gives, with that strength Sharabha is born. And let us all kindly repeat this. Marutasyatmaja Shriman
Marutasya
Hanuman Nama Vanaraha Vajra Samhananopeto Vajrasamhananopetah Vainateya Samojave. So now finally, after all these people, or after all these beings, finally Marutasya Atmajaha Sriman Hanuman Nama Vanaraha. And what kind of, we all know Hanuman, of course, and Marutasya Atmajanaha. Finally, Marut, Vayu Devasya Atmajaha, his own Amsha. Hanuman Nama Vanaraha, Vajra Sambhananam Upetaha. Upama is simile. Upetaha, who is like a simile, who is like Vajra Sambhananam. I mean, Vajrayudham is the most strongest Ayudham, right, of all the, because that is of Indra himself. And Vajra is the strongest thing, they say, right? And they say Vajram Vajreda Dhyate. Only Vajram can be broken by another Vajra, they say. So, such strong Vajram also can be Samhananam, can be killed by him. He is such a strong of all. So, Vajra Samhananopetaha, Vainateya Samojave, in speed, in Javam, he is Samaha of Vainateya. Vinata's son is Vainateya, who is Garuda. Garuda is the vehicle of Vishnu, and that is why anywhere, anytime you want, he appears. Why? His speed is that of that much. And so is also Manojava, we say. He is also Manojavam. His speed is like the mind. Mind what? A movement, I can be in India. A movement, if I want, I can be anywhere I want. I can even be in Vaikuntha with Manaha. So Manojavaha. So Vainateya Samaha Jave. Now, all these, these are the important characters. So each one is mentioned. Now, Te Srishta Bahu Sahasraha.
तेषु सृष्टा बहुसाहसा
दशग्रीववधे गताः
दशग्रीववधे गता
अप्रमेयबला वीराः
प्रमेयबला वीराः
विक्रान्ताः कामरूपिणः
क्रान्ता कामरूपिणः
So after that, te srishtaha, these main ones and several others were created. Te srishtaha, they were created. Bahusahasraha, several thousands, in several thousands, which means in several, hundreds of thousands of numbers, vanaraha were created. Why? Dashagriva vadhe gataha. All of them have come down as vanaraha only for the sake of Dashagriva vadha, in order to kill the 10-headed Ravana. And each one is what? Aprameya balaha. Prameya, mayam. Mayam is measurement. Ameya, we have our Ameya, right? Ameya Joyce. No, Ameya. Ameya ji, last name kya ji?
Yeah,
Lava only, I don't, Joyce only, right?
yeah. Ameya Joyce,
Ah.
and also we have Ameya Hode.
Ameya Hode is also there, correct. Correct. So, Ameya is, Mayam is measure. Mayam, Manam, Mitihi. One that gets measured is Mitihi. One that is measuring is Mayam. And the process of measuring is Manam. So, Ameya, you cannot measure. Immeasurable is Ameya, essentially. So, Mayam is measure. Prameya, all right, oh, you cannot measure it because you don't have a tool. Prakrishtameyaha is Prameyaha. Oh, very precisely we can measure is Prameyaha. Even with any tools, even with all that precision, you still cannot measure is Aprameyaha. So, even with any, there is no way to measure or assess their strength is Aprameyaha. Aprameya balaha, viraha, vikrantaha. Once they try to invade, kranti, once they do kranti, vishesha kranti. Once they start aggressively, that's it, they take over everything, everybody. So vikrantaha, viraha, at the same time, kamarupinaha. They know, as they like, they can manifest themselves. So kamarupinaha. Several such, in thousands, such vanaras were created by all other gods also together, is what they are saying. And Meru Mandara Sankasha.
Meru Mandara Sankasha.
Vapushmanto Mahabalaha.
Vapushmanto Mahabalaha.
Rukshavanara Gopuchaha.
Rukshavanara Gopuchaha.
Kshiprameva Bhijagnire.
Kshiprameva Bhijagnire.
So, what kind of vanaras? And Kshipram is like this instantly. As soon as Brahma gave orders, Amaya, now everyone is happy. So many, probably centuries, millions, they were suffering by Ravana. And now that they found a solution and the strategy is made, everybody is like jumping to task. So Kshipram, Kshiprachala we say, right? Prachala is just walk. Kshiprachala run. So likewise, Kshiprameva Abhijagnire, they have identified themselves as, which means they have manifested themselves as. Kshiprameva Abhijagnire, immediately, instantaneously or quickly, they have progenited themselves with their own identities. That is what is Abhijagna, Abhijagnire. As what? As Meru Mandara Sankashaha. In the previously they said Mahendrabha is Vali, Mahendra Parvata Iva. But there are other Parvatas even before. Meru, we know, right? Meru Parvatam is the center Parvata for our reference. Today GMT they take as the reference. No, for us Meru is the reference. Meru Dakshinadik Bhage Ishanyasya Sri Shailasya Ishanya Pradeshe, and also we say, right? when we are doing in Bhaginagar right over there. So because Meru is our reference, in reference to Meroho Dakshina Digbhagam, Meroho Uttara Digbhage, probably Uttar Pradesh and all you might be saying Meroho Uttara Digbhage, I do not know. So something like that, right? Meroho Dakshina Digbhage we say. So Meru Parvatam is our most divine, celestial, referential Parvatam. And the other one is Mandara. We all know Mandara, right? Mandara Parvatam. Is Mandara, Mandara is what is used, is what is born by the Kurma avatar. In the Samudra Mathanam, they use Mandara Parvatam because that is used as the, as what? As the rod, whatever that is called. But where do you put that in water? And so Kurma comes and Vishnu comes as Kurma and gives base. And imagine how much pain he takes. If the Parvatam is being churned on Kurma's back, poor thing, that's why they say that its back became so hard because of so much of churning on it that, it became so hard. Otherwise, probably Kurma's back also was not that hard. So, Meru Mandara Sankashaha. Sankashaha is equivalent, glowing in equivalence or power. Sankasha. Meru Mandara Sankashaha. Vapushmantaha. Vapuhu. We say, right? What? Shankachakra. Vapus. What is our Namaskar mantra?
Vapudruta.
Vapuhudruta. What Vapuhu before Vapu comes? What Vapu?
Hiranmayana Vapudruta.
Hiranmaya Vapuhu. Hiranmaya Vapur. Hiranmayana Vapuhu. Hiranmaya Vapur Dhruta Shankachakra. Hiranmaya Vapuhu is golden filled body. Vapuhu is Sharira. So here, Meru Mandara Sankashaha Vapushmantaha. Vapushman is Ekavachanam, Vapushmanta is Bahuvachanam. So embodied like Meru and Mandara Parvata. So such strong, such divine, such celestial. Mahabalaha, like them who are born, Riksha, Vanara, Gopuchaha. So I just looked for some notes. Riksha is, again, in English they say, right, is a bear kind of a species. A ravenous beast, a species of ape, Riksha. Vanaraha, we all know. Vana Naraha, Vanaraha is one Vyutpatti given. They are Naras only, just that they are living in Vana. So they slightly their form, their color, their softness of the skin, their probably all other some body changes take place, right? So they will look slightly different. But that does not mean monkey, just as typically we say monkey god. No. It is Vananaraha is Vanaraha. Also, there is another poetic explanation given. First time somebody saw them, Nara, Nara was the explanation. Hey, is it a human being or they didn't know what to call them. They were looking like human beings, but not exactly like humans. So, Nara Naraha was the Kavi explanation given. So, it is not that monkey, they are human beings. Just, like Africa, how are they? Different color. Based on the region where you are living, our body takes different colors and all, different shapes. So, they are like that. So, Vanaraha. Gopuchaha. This is another sort of apes or monkeys whose tails is like cow. Gopuchaha. Cow-tailed monkeys. So, they have long, big tail or such ones. I'm sure, Prajna and all can do the research to find which is Gopucha, which is Raksha, which is etc. And this Gopucha is also sometimes called Golangula. Langulam is also tail. So Golangulam is Gopucha. Yasya devasya yadrupam.
Yasya devasya yadrupam.
Vesho yascha parakramah.
Vesho yascha parakramam.
Parakramah.
Parakramah.
Ajayata samastena.
अजायत समस्तेन
तस्य तस्य सुतः पृथक्
तस्य सुतः पृथक्
यस्य देवस्य यद् रूपं. So now how many can Valmiki quote refer here? He quoted main ones and then he said for the others, for every other god, yasya devasya yad rupam. That god, each god's his own form. Veshaha is their body structure and the ornaments that they wear, the dresses that they wear, or body's shape to wear such dresses. So yasya devasya yad rupam yah visheshaha parakramaha cha, and their strength, whatever is that strength, samaha tena samaha, by equivalent to them, tasya sutaha, their own sons, prathak, separately, ajayata, were born. So each god, according to their strengths, according to their form, according to their qualities, their heirs were born individually, separately, in all of these Gandharvinis and Rikshaha. And so where are they born is being now told here. Golangulishu choppannaha kechit sammata vikramaha.
Guli chukpatta kechit sammata
vikramaha rikshishu cha tatha jata vanara kinnarishu cha. So Golang, so where are they born? Various gods. Yasya devasya yad rupam yah veshaha yah parakramaha cha tasya sutaha tena samaha prathak ajayata kutra Golangulishu. In Golangula, Gopucha we just mentioned before, right? Those cow-tailed apes, monkeys. Golangulishu cha utpannaha kechit sammata vikramaha. Sammata is equivalent, same as vikramaha, with that same valor. And rukshishu cha, rukshaha we said is one of the ancient bear-like ape. So in them, tatha jataha vanaraha kinnarishu cha. Kinnaraha, vanaraha was one question. Likewise, kinnara is a question. Kim? Are they humans? Kinnara. They are also like human bodies, but they are divine forms. So kinnarishu cha. Deva maharshi gandharvaha.
Deva maharshi gandharvaha.
Tarksha yaksha yashasvinaha.
Taksha yaksha yashasvinaha.
Naga kim purushaschaiva.
Naga kim purushaschaiva.
Siddha vidyadharoragaha.
Siddha vidyadharoragaha.
Bahavo janayamasuhu.
Bahavo janayamasuhu.
Hrishtastatra sahasrashah.
Hrishtastatra sahasrashah.
Vanaran sumahakayan.
Vanaran sumahakayan.
Sarvan vaivanacharinaha.
Sarvan vaivanacharinaha.
Apsarassu cha mukhyasu.
Apsarassu cha mukhyasu.
Tatha vidyadharishu cha.
Tatha vidyadharishu cha.
Nagakanyasu cha tatha.
Nagakanyasu cha tatha.
Gandharvinam tanushu cha.
Gandharvinam tanushu cha.
So, just as Brahma ordered, then Apsarasu, Gandharvinam tanushu, he said. So, they have done, is here what is being said. So, Devaha, Maharshayaha, Gandharvaha, Tarkshaha. So, Tarksha, Tarksho Arishthanenihi, one of the Veda mantra, Rigveda mantra comes. So Tarksha, there is a story there. Originally they say Tarksha is a horse, kind of a being, which later became a Garuda, Garuda's brother. So essentially, if we take it more from the spirit point of view, meaning the meaning point of view, it is all about various speed forms, whether it is Ashwa or Garuda or snake, serpent. It is all about speed. When you are mentioning or referring somebody by speed, that name is given. It doesn't mean that he's a horse as it is, but essentially Tarksha is one originally horse, later became a brother of Garuda. Tarkshaha, Yakshaha, Yashasvinaha, Nagaha, Kimpurushaha, Siddha, Vidyadharaha, Uragaha, Bahavo. So 10 species are referred here. 10 celestial species, non-human species are referred here, who have given Bahavaha Janayamasuhu, Krishtaha, very happily, delighted. Anandena Jayante, Anandena Vardhate. There is one Ananda Sukti. There they say, birth takes place by Ananda. If you are happy, then birth automatically takes place. When you are not happy, you get extinct. That is a natural thing also, right? So we Anandena, Krishtaha, Janayamasuhu, all of them have given birth. Sumaha Kayan, super bodied Vanaran, Sarvan Vai Vanacharinaha. They have given birth to several Vanaras who are Vanacharis with strong bodies in Mukhyasu Apsarasu, in very significant Apsarasas. Also in Vidyadharishu, even in the educated people, Vidyadharishu. Naga Kanyasu, even in the Nagas, in the serpent Nagas also. Tatha Gandharvinam Tanushucha, even in Gandharvi bodies also. So everything except human beings, they picked all other ones which he didn't ask for. In all other species, gods went and progenited themselves. Kama Rupa Balopetaha, Yatha Kamam Vicharinaha, Simha Shardula Sadrusha, Darpena cha Balena cha, Shila Praharana Sarve, Sarve Padapayodhinaha, Dhinaha, Nakadamshtrayudha Sarve, Sarve Sarvastrakovidah, Vichalayeyus Shailendran, Vedayeyus Thirandruman,
Vedayeyus Thirandruman,
Kshobhayeyuscha Vegena,
Vegena,
Samudram Saritam Patim,
Samudram Saritam Patim,
Darayeyuh Kshitim Padbhyam,
Daryeyuh Kshitim Padbhyam,
Aplaveyur Maharnavam,
Aplaveyurmaharnavam,
Nabhasthalam Visheyuscha,
Nabhasthalam Visheyuscha,
Grunhi Yurapito Yadan,
Grunni Yurapito Yadan,
Grunhi Yurapi Matangan,
Grunni Yupari Matangan,
Grunhi Yurapi, that must be Grunhi Yurapi Matangan,
Grunni Yurapi Matangan,
Mattan Pravrajato Vane,
Mattam Pravrajato Vane,
नर्दमानाश्च नादेन
नर्दमानाश्च नादेन
पातयेयुर्विहङ्गमान्.
पातयेयुर्विहङ्गमान्.
So what is the strength of all of these vanaras that are just now created is being described in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shlokas. So Kama Rupa Balopetaha, with Kama Rupa Balam, whatever strength is required, whatever they wish, they take that form and that much strength they can obtain. इसको मारना है बस उतना शक्ति आ जाएगा. Kama Rupa Balopetaha Yatha Kamam Vicharinah. And all these, some of these otherwise seemingly naughty characteristics, we will read them in Kishkinakanda. When they make mess of Madhuvanam, how they, do all that, we will read it. But anyway, so Yatha Kamam Vicharinah, as they wish, they can move, they can wander around. Yatha Kamam Vicharinah. Simha Shardula Sadrushaha Darpena cha Balena cha. In strength and in Darpam. Darpam is arrogance. With strength comes arrogance, right? In strength and arrogance, they are Sadrushaha. They are lookalikes like Simha Shardula, lion and tiger. In strength and arrogance, like in their walk and all, Simha Gamanam, like Simha Shardula Sadrushaha. Shila Praharanaha Sarve, Prahar, we say, right? Go beat it. So they can hit rocks, like karate, they do, patak, they break with their, hand, palm, whatever, right? So likewise, Shila Praharanaha Sarve, they can do a prahar on a Shila and just break it. Even the rock. Rock is not a small rock, the mountain rocks, rock mountains. So Shila Praharana Sarve Pada Payodhinaha. Pada Pa. Pa is Pibati. Pa is used for Palayati. Adhipaha means Adhikritva Palayati. Pa is also used for Pibati. Pa is the dhatu for Panam. So Padena Pibati
iti.
Padapaha. What are the ones which drink with legs? Trees. So trees padapa, because they suck water from their roots, from their legs, right? So even though rain comes from top, they don't drink that. They can only drink from the roots. So padapa is trees. Padapa yodhaha. They are yodhaha. With the trees, they can just like we see. Now see, even today movies, if you have to show heroism, that fellow plucks a tree out, a big tree, right? That is our Vanara. So Padapayo, they can pluck a huge trunk tree and hit somebody with it and do yuddha with it. So Padapayodhinaha, with the tree, fighting with trees. Nakha Daunshtra Yudhaha, those whose arm, what is it called? Weapons are Nakha Daunshtraha. Shurpanakha, so Nakha, with their nails and teeth. They can, cut and kill. So at one point, at one level, with their own body, they are such strong that with the nails and teeth as their ayudha, sarve. Also at the same time, sarve, it doesn't mean they are, just beastly figures. Sarve, sarvastra kovidaha. All of them are kovidaha, excellent stalwarts of all astras at the same time. Vichalayeyuhu shailendran. Chalanam is move. Chalayati, you move it. If I move something, then I am chalayati. You drive it, you move it. Vichalayeyuhu. They can boom boom karke, they can even shailendran. Shailam is mountain. Shailendra is it. Our Shailendra ji. Shailendra ji को भी कि ऐसा लेके हम खिला दिया तो हम भी बड़ा वानर, देव वानर बन जाएंगे. Go hug Shailendra ji and थोड़ा उनको हिलाइए. Shailendran अपि विचालयेयुहु, उनको भी ऐसा हिला देंगे. हाँ, विचालयेयुहु हिलाना. शैलेंद्रान अपि हिला देते हैं. And Bhedayeyuhu Sthiran Druman. Bhedanam. So you give a punch and it breaks. What? Sthiran Druman. Druma is tree. Again, English, there is no other words here. There is Padapa, tree, Vriksha, Sasya. Here it is Druma. Druma is Mukta Vidruma, Emanila. We say in Gayatri Varnam also, right? Druma is tree, that bark-based tree, whose trunks are very wide ones, right? Such strong, wide Druman also, Bhedayeyuhu, they can just break it with their punch. So that kind of strength. Bhedayeyuhu Sthiran Druman, Kshobhayeyuscha Vegena, Samudram Saritam Patim. The Samudra, who is Pati of all Sarita, of all rivers. Samudra, who is the Pati of all rivers, because all rivers finally have to end up into Samudra, and he has to bear all those rivers, everything that is brought by those rivers. So he is called Pati, because he is like Bharta, he bears them. So Samudra, who is the Saritam Pati, even that Samudram, Kshobhayeyuhu, they will terrify him or they will horrify him. They will horrify Samudra also with their Vega. See what happens when there is wind, the Samudra's waves have to take more speed, right? When there is so many waves, normally if Samudra is still, it will look like calm, probably it is sleeping, peaceful. But if there is too many turbulent waves, then what happens? Then it will seem like, hey, what happened to these? That's our natural feeling, right? All of us will think, what happened to it? That means we think that Samudra is also now is in trouble. So these guys can, with their speed, when they jump with that speed, they can even trouble the Samudra. So Samudra will become turbulent. That is what they are saying. And Darayeyuhu Kshitim Vidaranam we say, right? Vidaranam Vishesha Dharanam or Vikrata Dharanam. Dara is to pierce, to cut. Darayeyuhu Kshitim. Earth, they can create earthquake. They can split the earth. Darayeyuhu Kshitim Padbhyam, with their feet alone. If they really take a huge plunge and jump, the earth breaks there. They say. So Darayeyuhu Kshitim Padbhyam Aplaveyuhu Maharanavam. Even if the Maharanava, ocean, Aranavam, sea, Maharanavam is ocean, Mahasamudra, which is ocean. Even if ocean thinks it is the biggest spanning entity on earth, Aplaveyuhu, they will jump along. And by the way, they will float along it or they will float across it. They will jump across it. What is the name of this year? We just started with our Panchangam.
Plava.
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 So Plava means this jump, this float or, jump over. So Aplaveyuh Maharanavam. This is the year for all of us to jump up our skills, our strengths, our abilities, and manifest the best, the excellent in us. So Aplaveyuh Maharanavam. Nabhastalam cha vishe, Nabhastalam visheyuscha. See how is our poetry. It is talking of every possible entity and showing their strength beyond it. So they talked about trees, they talked about Shailendra, mountains, they talked about Samudram, they talked about earth, and now Nabhastalam, sky. Nabhastalam Vishayuscha. They will enter, Visharam, Pravesha. They can do Pravesha, they can even enter into sky. And that much high they can fly. Navastalam Vishayuscha Grunhiyurapitoyadan. They can jump to the sky and Grahan Karke Toyadam. Toyam is water. Patram, Pushpam, Phalam, Toyam, Yome Bhaktya Prayachati. Toyam is water. Toyam Dadati Toyadam. Which one gives water? Megha, clouds. Right? Clouds give water, right? So Toyada, is Megham. So Nabhastalam Vishayuscha Grunhi Europito Yadan. They would go jump into sky and grahan karte hai. They hold. They can hold the whole cloud there and bring it with them. So see the poetry, how beautiful the poetry is. They can jump to the sky, hold the cloud and bring the cloud wherever they want. That is their strength. So Navastalam Vishayuscha Grunhiyurapito Yadan Grunhiyurapi Matangan Mattan Pravrajato Vane. In the forest, from Mattan, Matta hoke, matlab Jabardast, intoxicated is the literal meaning. But essentially what it means is with all happy moods and all, as the elephant karke chal raha hai. Such elephants nobody can stop, right? Except Bahubali. So, Mattan Pravrajataha. Pravrajataha is moving, wandering around. Vane Pravrajataha. Mattan Matangan. Matanga is elephant. So, intoxicated, roaming in forest. Such elephants ko bhi Grunhi Yuhu. They will usko pakad lete hai. Right? ऐसा करके ऐसा पकड़ लेते हैं करके गृह्णीयुरपि मातंगान मत्तान प्रव्रजतो वने नर्दमानाश्च नादेन अब्बा पातयेयुः विहंगमान नर्दमानाः नर्दनम नादेन निनाद हम करते हैं हरा हरा महादेव. Why do we do that? When you do that nada, Patayayuhu vihangaman, vihangamati, vihangaha is birds or any flying objects are vihangamaha. So vihangaman patayayuhu, they will fell them with their nada. Hara! If you say that, even a bird flying, the eagle flying there away, for a second it will lose its consciousness, so it will fall down. Or a flight is going, you shout. That flight with the sound, with the whatever that sonic thing they say, right? It will fall down. That is their roaring sound. So Nardamanas chanadena patayeyuhu vihangaman. These are the, call it naughty, but that is the valor that is required to fight Dasagriva Vadhe Gataha. Right? In order to fight Dasagriva, man, so much strength is required and so many gods. Everyone gave their strength, is what is being said. We are running slow, I know, but in fact I have cut myself. I didn't paste so much of Bhashyam given of each species details. So I sharam se or besharam hoke English meanings maine copy kiya, because otherwise if I put the whole Bhashyam, I know we will run into a lot of time reading the details of those species, of these qualities, etc. So just to skip, in spite of that, I am running slow, I know. 5 more shlokas will complete quickly. Idrushanam. So finally, after telling all these qualities, now they are saying with these qualities. Idrushanam prasutani.
Idrushanam prasutani.
Harinam kamarupinam.
Harinam kamarupinam.
Shatam shatasahasrani.
Shatam shatasahasrani.
Yuthapanam mahatmanam.
Ruthapanam mahatmanam.
So, Idrushanam, like this, with all these qualities, with all these strengths, with all these forms, with all these shapes. Idrushanam, Shatam Shatasahasrani, Yuthapanam, Mahatmanam, Kamarupinam, Harinam, Prasutani. Prasutam, Prasuti, we know, right? Delivery. Baby ka, when we say, so delivered. So several such hundreds of thousands of such warrior, great, as required, manifestable species are delivered or given birth. Te pradhaneshu yutheshu
ते प्रधानेषु यूथेषु
हरीणां हरियूथपाः बभूवुर्यूथपश्रेष्ठाः वीरांश्चाजनयन् हरीन् so they प्रधानेषु यूथेषु ते हरीणां प्रधानेषु यूथेषु हरियूथपाः बभूवुः यूथपश्रेष्ठाः. They who are born in various harinam youtheshu, in the groups of various, they have all of them were not in one place. They have spread across the entire world. And they were there. They have spread themselves across the world. And so in say various tribes, harinam youtheshu, in various tribes of these apes, hariyuthapah, yuthapa, palayati, yuthapa, the head of the tribe. Several such ape head leader tribes, babhuvuhu, they became yuthapasreshthah, they became the best in those species. So they started as apes, they became the best among them, they have evolved them. Viranscha ajanayan harin, ajanayan, in past tense they have given birth to several such monkeys and apes. Anye rikshavatah prasthan,
Anye prasthan,
Anye rikshavatah prasthan,
Anye rikshavata prasthan,
upatastuh sahasrashah,
upatastu sahasrashah,
Anye nana vidhan shailan,
Anye nana vidhan shailan,
Kananani cha bhejire,
Kananani cha bejire,
Anye, others, Rikshavataha, Rikshavan, Rikshavataha, Riksha jatis, those who are of Riksha jati, several of them, Prasthan, they have stood by Upatasthuhu Sahasrashaha, in thousands they have stood by. Anye Nana Vidhan Shailan, Prasthan is some places. So several in different places, different tribes have established themselves. Anye Nana Vidhan Shailan, some of them have gone to mountains and lived there. Kananani, Kananam is forest. Some of them have went into forest. Cha bhejire, they have started habitating, dwelling there. So some of them tribes have lived on land, regular land areas, plateau areas. Some of them went into mountains, some of them went into forests and lived. That's why you see different species, different tribes, and across the world. Suryaputrascha Sugrivam,
Suryaputrascha Sugrivam,
Shakraputram Chavalinam,
Shakraputram Chavalinam,
Bhrataravupatashthuste,
Bhrataravupatashthuste,
Sarva eva Harishwaraha,
Sarva eva Harishwaraha,
Nalam Neelam Hanumantam,
Nalam Neelam Hanumantam,
Anyanscha Hariyuthapan,
Manyascha Hariyuthapan,
Anyanscha Hariyuthapan,
Anyanscha Hariyuthapan.
So they, all of these who have gone into various tribes and all, but Suryaputra has Sugrivam, Chakraputram, it should be Suryaputram, Suryaputram, Sugrivam, Chakraputram, Valinam, Bhratarau, those two are brothers, right? Bhratarau, Tau, Upatastuhu, Te, all of them have stood by, all Te, Sarve Harishwaraha, all these Harishwaraha. So we said, if you see, each one of them, from them they became Yuthapaha, Yuthapasreshtaha. Those Yuthapasreshtaha who are Harishwaraha, so leaders of all these tribes, Upatastuhu, they stood by means they have accepted the leadership of Bhratarau of these two brothers, Suryaputraha Sugriva, Shakra is Indra, Indraputraha Vali. Of their leadership they have accepted and have stood by, along with in the cabinet of Nalaha, Neelaha, Hanuman, Anyamscha Hariyuthapaha. There were other leaders of Hariyuthapaha, along with Hanuman, Neela, Nala. These were the main ruling cabinet, and all other Harishwaraha who went to various mountains, various forests, various other countries, all of them, though they were living separately anywhere, they always stood by the general respectable leadership of Vali and Sugriva. Te takshabala sampanna. Two more slokas will complete. Te takshabala sampanna.
Te takshabala
sampanna.
Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Sarve yuddha visharadaha.
Vicharantordhayan darpat.
Vicharantodayardarpat.
Vicharantah.
Adaryan.
Vicharantah ardhayan darpat.
Vicharantah ardayan darpat.
Simha vyaghra mahoragan.
Simha vyaghra mahoragan.
So te takshabala sampanna. They are taksha, we already said, right? It is to do with the speed being. Typically a reptile or a horse or like even a bird, Garuda. So taksha bala sampanna, like with the strength of them. Sarve yuddha vishada, all of them are excellently skilled in warfare. Vicharantaha ardhayan. Ardhayan is wherever they go, they would, take leadership. They rule there. Ardhayan. Darpat. Ardhanam is sometimes trouble, sometimes rule, sometimes lead. So Darpat with that confidence or overconfidence. Simha Vyaghra Mahoragan. Whether lion, tiger, Mahoragaha, best of the biggest serpents. All of them, they control them. They cannot cause any terror to them. These guys cause terror to Simha, Vyaghra, Mahoragas, etc. Tanscha Sarvan Mahabahu.
Tanscha Sarvan Mahabahu.
Vali Vipula Vikramaha.
Vali Vipula Vikramaha.
Jugopa Bhuja Viryena.
Jugopa Bhuja Viryena.
Ruksha Gopuchavanaran.
Ruksha Gopuchavanaran.
So all those Tarksha Viraha, who are like Tarksha Sambala Sampannaha, Harishwaraha, all of them were still ruled by Tanscha Sarvan Bhuja Viryena, with the strength of his shoulders or his arms. Vali Jugopa, Vali Mahabahu, Vali Jugopa. Jugopa is Palayati. He ruled. He protected and ruled all of these Harishwaraha. Why? Because of the strength of his Bhuja, arm. And all of us have heard that story also, right? That Vali holds Ravana in his hand like this. In his hand, he holds his neck and flies across, jumps mountain to mountain to mountain to mountain. Such is the balam of Vali. Tairiyam Pruthivi Shuraihi.
Tairiyam Pruthivi Shuraihi.
Saparvatavanarnava.
Saparvatavanarnava.
Kirna Vividha Samsthanaihi.
Kirna Vividha Samsthanaihi.
Nana Vyanjana Lakshanaihi.
Nana Vyanjana Lakshanaihi.
Taihi, by all such Harishwaraha, Vali, etc. Iyam Pruthivi, Taihi Shuraihi, by those Shuras, Iyam Pruthivi, this earth, Saparvata Arnava, with mountains and water, ocean, sea. Saparvata Arnava, akirna, spread with vividha samsthanaihi, by various body shapes, these people, meaning various species essentially. Vividha samsthanaihi, various species. Nana vyanjana lakshanaihi, nanatva abhivyanjaka asadharana dharma vidhihi. So by various unimaginable shapes and strengths, this earth has been kirana. Kirana is spread or is occupied by. So this earth with mountains and rivers has been occupied by these various strong, uniquely shaped, uniquely skilled Harishwara. Let's complete with the last sloka. Tairmegha vrinda chalakuta kalpaihi.
Tairmegha chalakuta kalpai.
Mahabalairva narayuthapalaihi.
Mahabalairvanarayuthapalaihi.
Palaihi. Babhuva bhumir.
Babhuva bhuvir.
Na. Babhuva bhur bhumi sharira rupaihi.
Babhuva bhurvir sharira rupai.
Samavrita rama sahaya hetoho.
Samamarupa rama.
Samavrita.
Samavrita rupa.
Rama sahaya hetoho.
Rama sahaya hetu.
So the whole sargas, this whole sarga, oh yeah, one second. So taihi, by them, megha vrinda achala kutakalpaihi, by them, by what, by who? Megha vrinda, by several groups of clouds. Achala kuta, by several piles of mountains. Kalpaihi, like them. Kalpa is similar to. By them, who are similar to several groups of clouds and several groups of mountains. Mahabalaihi, by very strong people. Vanara yuthapalaihi. Vanara yuthapalaihi is group leaders of Vanara groups. Yutha is group, yuthapalaihi. Babhuva bhuhu bhumihi. Babhuva bhuhu bhima sharira rupaihi. Bhuhu is earth. Babhuva became Bhima Sharira Rupaihi, with Bhima Parakrama, Bhima Sharira, very strong bodies. Sharira Rupaihi Samavrita. This earth has been avritam, has been covered by or is inhabited by all these strong like clouds, like mountains, Bhima Sharira Rupa, with very powerful, strong bodies. It is occupied by them. Why? Sarga is ending with the design of the 15th, 16th, 17th chapters. Rama Sahaya Hetoho. For with the Hetu, with the reason of Rama Sahaya, for the only reason to help Rama, who is going to come next on Wednesday, to help him, so many strong people, Rama Sevaks, have come. Let's all say Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
I have to jump immediately because it is already delayed there. Raghav Vibhag may have to give Prarthana Abhyas there. So I have to jump now. I'll only quickly say Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschat dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. चलिए, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
सुशाचते सुविनंचते।